Alright, so we're at my stepdad's, I think, softball game. And here's a ball, and I found a bunch of air conditioners. There's that one on the roof. I can't really get to it. I'll show you what I can get to. I think we have a carrier here, probably a base model. Carrier Puron. Wherever the data sheet is. That's if there even is one. Up there, it has a GE motor. Oh, there's a data sheet. It's like one all, but I can. Yeah, I can barely see what I'm looking for on the carrier base model here. We got a few more units here. Haven't even seen this logo, but we have two little Guardians here. This one's from, can't really tell about that. I'm probably just about to see the same thing here. Also, none of these units are running. Hello. But this one, this actually has a Gentech fan motor. This one also has a Gentech motor equipped. My fan blades are spinning a little bit on this one. Oh, looks like it's turning on. But yes, this is air conditioner. It's an American Standard Allegiance thing. It's an Allegiance 10 from 1994. Wow, this is old. It's like the oldest American Standard I've seen. Also, there's nothing on this logo, so this thing's here for absolutely nothing. That'll be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.